A community with a 360-degree view of Tagaytay Highlands. Of course, the famous Mount Makiling. At meron pang isa, Laguna Bay. And kitang-kita na po dito ang Makati skyline. So, if you want to have a property with unlimited view of what I've mentioned, Sereneo is the perfect Alveo project only here on the biggest estate development here in the Philippines, Nuvali, Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. At dahil wala pa po tayong makikita dito sa area, no, mas gusto ko ma-feel nyo kung ano yung itsura ng neighborhood natin mula doon sa commercial development ni Nuvali papunta dito kay Sereneo. Kaya samahan nyo ko, dun tayo mag point A hanggang sa makarating tayo dito sa site. From here in the heart of the commercial area of Nuvali. Paskong Pasko na, no? Ayan. So, ang ganda-gandang makita ng Nuvali signage na to from Santa Rosa, Tagaytay area. So, gusto ko lang ma-feel nyo kung ano yung itsura ng holiday season dito sa Nuvali Estate Development by Ayala. And then, pupunta tayo na kay Sereneo. Actually, pangalawa na namin itong shoot ngayon eh. So, yun na una namin in-upload last week, no? Na Verdea. Medyo makulimlim kasi kanina. Ngayon, thank you Lord dahil umaraw na at napakaganda talagang mag-road trip, no, papunta sa Sereneo from the estate, from the commercial, no, area of Nuvali. Gusto ko lang kayong ma-update kung ano yung mga construction ngayon at mapakita sa inyo na talagang tuloy-tuloy po yung developments dito sa area. So from the signage kanina, umano lang tayo, no? Tumawid lang tayo dito, papasok sa Nuvali. It's Friday, araw-araw pong maraming tao dito. So ibig sabihin, kung maraming foot traffic, talagang maganda ang economy ng isang area. Well, ano naman, no? Very evident naman because Laguna is the first province in the Philippines to hit 1 trillion pesos, no? In terms of the economic performance ba yun, Gio? Dapat alam mo yun, or the GDP. So, basta Laguna is the first province in the Philippines who hit 1 trillion pesos. So, talagang ang ganda ng development dito, ang ganda ng, when it comes to the economic stability dito sa Laguna, not just in real estate. And imagine, no, hindi po ganun kataas or napakababa ng crime rate, especially dito sa Metro Santa Rosa City because this is controlled, no, by our big developers in the Philippines at talagang mini-maintain nila na kahit accessible by public ito, it's still safe and secure. And ayun, no, just an update, no, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa area during holiday season here in Nuvali. Number 1, okay na po at tuloy-tuloy na everyday from Mondays to Sundays ang ating Nuvali Fountain of Lights Festival. So, it's happening every night here. So, if meron pong mga lights show sa Ayala Triangle sa Makati, so dito naman, it's Fountain of Lights Festival. And then, on our left side, so i-ano lang natin, no? I-zoom lang natin ngayon. Nakikita nyo yung mga flags, no? Because ongoing ngayon ang International Beach Volleyball. So, lagi itong ginaganap sa Nuvali. Ang daming mga foreigners dito. So, nakita nyo na yung tumatawid. So, when it comes to rental investment, lalo na ako, meron ako sa Zadia na ang lapit lang din dito sa commercial area ni Nuvali or nagpaplano kayo, no, ng mga rental investment. Ang dami pong events dito lagi. So, imagine, no, International Beach Volleyball Competition dito po ginaganap sa Nuvali. And right now, aside from Nuvali Fountain of Lights Festival and aside from the beach volleyball competition, dito gaganapin, no, yung biggest drone show by Coca-Cola. only here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dito po gaganapin, guys, no? So this is the biggest drone show by Coca-Cola Philippines. So imagine tomorrow ito, hosted by Catriona Gray, Roby Domingo, and nandito si KZ Tandingan at Darren Espanto. Sobrang daming major events na dito ginaganap sa Nuvali na marami silang pwedeng piliin sa Pilipinas, pero dito sa area na to. Booming po talaga ang development dito, booming ang events, yung mga mangyayari pa sa future, and I'm very excited because as the one who invested here in the area, kung hindi man for personal use ang ininvest ko, alam ko no na magiging lucrative ang magiging mga rental properties ko kasi may market talaga. Not just yung mga mag-aaral sa University Belt of the South nagtatrabaho no dito sa Technopark, but pati na rin sa mga events, mga not just minor events but major events na dito ginaganap no sa Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So yung nakikita nyong land development na yan, this is actually the Nuvali 4 or Solenad 4 rather. So Solenad is the mall here inside Nuvali. May Solenad 1, 2, 3 na sila. So meron pa tayo Solenad 4. Imagine, you have Vista Mall by Villar, you have Solenad 1, 2, 3, and 4 na parang ginagawa nilang Greenbelt, and of course, the SM Santa Rosa Premier na magkakadikit sila. And tatawid tayo ngayon, papunta kay Sereneo. Gusto ko lang makita nyo kung ano yung mga happenings dito, not just the ongoing developments, para makita nyo on how technically productive or on how enjoyable is no kapag bumibili kayo ng property dito sa Santa Rosa or you choose to retire here, kasi kahit na we are on a suburban living, hindi naman po boring tumira dito. So ito naman yung ginagawa dito, this is the central or the other business district aside from the East Block kung saan gaganapin yung Coca-Cola drone show, the biggest drone show that will happen here in the Philippines. So again, no, ongoing dito, mga land excavation, and ito na po yung sinasabi ng mga clients ko na nakabili dito. Jaire, ayaw na namin gawin kung ano yung nagawa namin mali dahil alam naman namin dati, no, na yung BGC sobrang mura pero hindi namin ginrab yung opportunity kasi lagi namin sinasabi, ano ba naman, sino ba naman yung bibili sa BGC? Kampo yan eh. So ano mangyayari dyan sa future? But ngayon, BGC is the address that we want to live in. So imagine, Nuvali, ganun po yung nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Second landmark here, kaya nasasabi kong napakaganda mag-invest dito. Here, the Hana Garden Villas, actually, that's not part of Nuvali. That's a project no of the Shantowi developer, which is by the clan of Jose Marie Chan, partnered by a big Japanese developer. So hindi lang po basta-basta talaga yung mga nade-develop dito. Actually, we're on the mid to luxury side of development na here, kaya ang dami din talagang nag-uumpisa na at ongoing pa rin yung investments here sa Nuvali. At hindi pa kayo huli, kasi hanggat sumasabay kayo sa flow, hanggat may nakikita kayong naglaland excavation pa lang, that's the perfect time to invest in an area or in a specific location. On our right, the central block, which will be actually the highlight or yung mga magiging pinakaunang parang high street or alfresco dining area, which would cater the residential community of Nuvali. So may Mary Mart dyan, may itatayong mga play school or schools dyan. Rumored to have the Ayala Land Premier's very first condominium property in the area, and this is just next to Xavier School and very near Solara Park Stories of Nuvali. Malapit na tayo kay Sereneo, kaya wag nyo sana to skip kasi napakahalaga no, na nakikita nyo kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng Nuvali, not just kung ano yung mga ongoing developments but on how they continue to maintain it, kasi kahit panoorin yung mga free previews na vlog ko, nagsushoot kami, binagyo kahapon pero kinabukasan nagsushoot kami, pero nakikita nyo naman na grabe yung pag-rebuild, grabe yung maintenance ng Nuvali, and that's what you have to consider when you are investing in a property. You are not just investing inside the lot or inside the subdivision that you want to invest, but also kung ano yung nangyayari sa labas. The long-term benefit that you could have. Yes, mas maraming mura kayong mabili na property, but you don't know kung ganito ba kaganda i-maintain yung labas niya. And then on the left, side trip lang tayo saglit guys. I-take ko yung opportunity, no, bago tayo makapunta sa Sereneo. So maganda rin, no, na kahit mahaba po yung pagpunta natin sa Sereneo, nakikilala nyo po itong area. So magle-left lang tayo. This is actually Rockwell South, of course by Rockwell Developer. So magkakatabi po talaga yung mga big and luxury developers dito. Dito naman sold out na yung mga lot projects, but meron silang bagong house and lot project priced at 45 to 50 million pesos, partnered with Leandro Locsin Architectural Firm. Ang ganda-ganda niya, kaya if interested kayo for a house and lot package, just inquire po sa akin para mauna kayo sa magiging house and lot project dito sa Rockwell South. So, para makita nyo lang yung neighborhood nyo, rumored to have the next power plant mall dito sa area. At of course, kilala naman natin kung paano gumawa ng development no si Rockwell. Very evident yung Rockwell Makati. Fully underground dito, not just inside the subdivision but on the whole Rockwell South development. At imagine, no, ganito yung madadaanan nyo. This is technically just a connecting road or technically a service road, no, wala tayo sa loob ng subdivision, pero look how beautiful it is, no. Meron pang ganyan sa gilid, no, beside the walkways. And imagine you driving here inside Nuvali. It's very relaxing every day, no, dahil dito ako nakatira sa Nuvali ngayon. So ito po yung dinadaanan ko araw-araw. Kahit na stress po or minsan, no, talagang hindi naman tayo araw-araw nasa good mood, but it helps na napakadaming trees. And imagine itong tinutumbok natin ngayon. This would be the next commercial area inside Nuvali. Ito, malapit na tayo kay Sereneo, kaya mas hindi ko na puputulin yung video para mas makita nyo kung ano yung magiging commercial developments. Itong tumbok na to, this would be a tower, and then magkakaroon tayo ng rooftop na alfresco, so kasing laki siya ng market sa may BGC area or Taguig area. And on the right side, ito po yung magiging commercial district ni Alveo. So ito, dadaan-daanan lang natin to straight papunta kay Sereneo. So ito po yung magiging malapit na commercial area nyo kapag nakabili kayo ng property kay Sereneo. And ayan na po yung Sereneo, actually yung green barricade. It's just right in front of Miriam College Nuvali. So if you want to have a lot and then you're not just buying a property for retirement or for family building, ang ganda-ganda po nito kasi katapat nyo lang yung Miriam College Nuvali. So punta ulit tayo sa viewing deck, and then from the viewing deck, i-discuss natin si Sereneo. Wow, ang sarap naman ng hangin dito sa Sereneo, no? Last time na shoot natin to, hindi pa ganito ka technically kalinis, no, or ka-clean yung pinaka-site. Pero ngayon, medyo may nakikita na ako na ayan, no, yung guide siguro, ito yung magiging path, no, roads niya. Tapos yung mga lights. And wala pa tayo dito sa viewing deck, but I can feel how fresh the air is, no? Talaga sobrang hangin. And then, kitang-kita mo na yung view. How much more kapag nagpatayo ka na ng modern contemporary home dito at magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong viewing deck, balcony, or rooftop. Kaya tara, punta tayo sa viewing deck. When we first featured this lot project this year, sobrang na-inlove na po talaga ako kasi not just kilalang-kilala natin yung developer, which is si Ayala, alam ko rin naman po kung gaano kagaling gumawa ang Alveo. Imagine, Alveo of Ayala, nasa loob ng Nuvali, and you got this beautiful view with a highland elevation. And of course, no, kahit hindi ko sabihin, ang ganda-ganda ng breeze ng hangin dito sa area. Ang gandang pang retirement lot. And not just that, kasi dito sa area na to, ang katapat natin, itong parang may mga roofing no, na uneven, this is already Miriam College, New Valley. And on this side, hindi lang po kita, pero kalapit natin yung Ayala Land Premier Projects, which is malapit kayo sa top tier developments ng Ayala, kaya napakaganda sa market value appreciation. And of course, ito yung unang-unang Alveo project ni New Valley, nakatabi ni Sereneo, which is Simondia. So yung mga nakikita nyong house there, modern contemporary, ganito rin po yung theme kay Sereneo. But of course, Sereneo is an improved version sa lahat ng mga naunang Alveo projects dito kay New Valley. So ayan no, I'm just very proud of our project kasi this is already my 5th year in the real estate, focusing in the area of Santa Rosa, particularly in Greenfield and here in New Valley. And nakakatuwa lang po no, hindi naman po ako talagang sobrang seasoned realtor na. I'm just offering you kung ano lang din yung alam ko na maganda, quality project na magma-market value, kasi hindi lang naman po piso yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pero tuloy-tuloy yung development and yung mga ino-offer at nabebenta natin, talagang kung ano yung ina-expect natin no, na mangyayari sa kanya sa future, yun talaga yung nangyayari ngayon, not just in terms of the development but of course in terms of the market value appreciation. What I'm picturing out with this project Sereneo is this is a modern project in an established estate. So alam naman natin kapag nagde-develop yung mga developer, just like in BGC, hindi agad-agad yan makikita natin. Pero ang maganda kay Sereneo, kung gusto nyo establish na yung commercial area, ongoing na, I will let you choose New Valley over other estate development here in Santa Rosa. Para at least talagang sumasabay lang kayo sa flow. Kumbaga, wala naman kayo sa sobrang aga, pero kapag bumili at nagpatayo kayo ng bahay, pag lumabas kayo, meron na kayong makikita. So dito kayo kay New Valley. And particularly here in Sereneo, hindi rin naman masama yung project na to when it comes to the land elevation, kasi kahit nandito tayo inside New Valley, nandito tayo sa isa sa pinakamataas no, na land elevation in this estate development. And of course, habang dinidiscuss ko to, pinapakita namin kung ano yung magiging itsura ni Sereneo, which is very green-inspired and at the same time, ang ganda ng amenity niya dahil meron tayong mga pocket parks, linear parks scattered in the whole area of Sereneo or in the whole development of Sereneo. Of course, we have basketball court, kids play area, social pavilion, central park, residence lounge, pool pavilion, and main spine greenway. And of course, no, meron po tayong central amenity here and of course, mga guard houses. So meron tayong magiging major gate or main gate at may mga secondary gates tayo. But still, we are on an exclusive community, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala dahil very tight pa rin yung security para sa safety ng ating residents. And of course, hindi matatawaran, no? Ito lang talaga yung project natin ngayon na meron kayong 360-degree view of Tagaytay Highlands, Makati, Skyline, Laguna Bay, and of course, si Mount Makiling. Hindi lang sobrang kita si Mount Makiling kasi medyo umulan kanina, pero you could see and you could observe kung gaano naman kaganda yung area, and hindi naman po halata sa buhok ko, no, na sobrang hangin dito sa area. So, mag-discuss tayo ng latest computation ng Sereneo. So let's discuss the price of Sereneo. So we have a sample 275 square meter lot in Sereneo right now. The price per square meter here is at around 46,000 pesos per square meter to 50,000 pesos per square meter, depending on the location of the lot and how prime the lot is. So we're talking about 275 square meter lot with a total contract price, that inclusive of 14,097,000 pesos. So for example, you reserved a property here in Sereneo on November 30, that's around 100,000 pesos, and then after 1 month, which is on December 30 na, magte 10% spot ka lang, which is at 1,309,700 pesos, again, for a 275 square meter lot, and then magkakaroon ka ng 47-month down payment or almost 4 years na down payment at only 90,000 pesos per month. Yung balance na maiiwan after 48 months, you can loan it through bank, and because you bought the time, not just the pre-selling price of Sereneo,
baka pwede kang mag-ipon dahil 90,000 pesos ka lang naman per month, yung balanse na matitira sa dulo dahil after 4 years pa, baka pwede mo na siyang ma-pay in cash, so you bought a property without paying any interest. Or pwede mo rin siyang i-loan sa bank, pero dahil meron kang time na naipon, pwede kang down payment or mag-spot down payment ng big amount of money para konti na lang yung i-loan mo sa future. Again, this is Sereneo, and wag muna kayong umalis after ko magpaalam kasi ipapakita namin kung ano yung magiging project or magiging finished product ni Sereneo sa future through the video or slide presentation. So, if you want to inquire in Sereneo, please do not forget to contact me at my local mobile number. I message Viber and WhatsApp account, that's +63927 1851590. Again, that's +63927 1851590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, Facebook page, The Property Geek, and you can contact me, add me directly through my personal Facebook account, that's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. We are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, and maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Advance Merry Christmas sa inyo, guys. Again, this is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to the beautiful Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna.